Yo guys, what's going on? Thanks for checking out the video. It's been a little bit since I've been out on the Razor and it's freezing cold today, but I just needed to pop outside real quick, continue to test out these pit bike brakes, see if I want to keep them on. I also don't have my Maguras back anyways from getting bled, so I wouldn't be able to rock them anyways, so figured we'd come out and ride today. I really don't want to loop because I've looped like consecutively in the last 3 or 4 videos, so but yeah, just a quick ride. Guys, I am super excited. Tampa is coming up. We're about a month out. The other thing I'm super excited for, dude, so I'm going to be in Tampa on 2 different bikes, hopefully, assuming I can fit everything. But we ordered a Talaria XXX. Shout out Lunicycle. Getting it sent over here shortly. But I'm really excited to test out that bike, see what I think of it. Content to definitely stay tuned for. Now, brake problems aside, guys, this footlock actually has worked surprisingly well. Locks you in pretty good, so I've been liking that. It does feel good to ride, though. It's been the most inconsistent riding because of waiting on parts, because of snow, because of 20-degree weather, so it's been a bit of a drag this winter, but should be warming up here soon. I don't know. Maybe if I rebleed these pit bike brakes one more time, I'll like them more and they'll work better. Because I don't think the bleed is perfect, to be fair. There we go. That thing is sweet. Thing is dope. LED headlights up front. Alright, so some of the guys actually might be down here at the cafe, so I'm going to pop down real quick, see if anyone's around. Oh, nobody's here. Alright guys, I just got off with my boy Cole, and he's up at the art museum. Been a minute since I filmed up here, guys. This cold weather doesn't really have us meeting up here much. Plus, we kind of don't meet up at the art museum as much anymore anyways, but yeah. What's good? Dude, it's the weirdest thing. I can't combo for shit, but like circles, somehow. Any bike, too. It's weird. Cool powder coated this whole thing. It's pretty sweet. Get some sweet photos. I totally got to get this guy for photos. Woo! Come out good? A photo or video?
Photo. I can get a video if you want, though.
Oh, that's dope. Do you have like an Insta or anything?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, I got Insta, YouTube. If you want to send me those, I'll never say no. That's so cool, dude. Connor. Connor. Like the fighter. No, you're good. Oh, you're Kyle. I'm sorry. I'm like, no, you pronounced it wrong. My bad. Well, that's dope.
Once these guys like clear off the space, it'd be cool to get a shot going straight up. If I stand in the center, I'll trust you.
Let's do a knee knocker this time.
Like, I'll send you a Google Drive link.
Yeah, that'd be hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah. Connor, yeah. Kyle, nice meeting you, Kyle. I might bring my other friend. He's probably right over there. I might bring him over quick. All right, hell yeah. And I'm Connor, by the way, too, bro. Josh, nice to meet you, bro. All right. Yeah, there's a photographer right there that just got some dope photos and videos. I told him, you're a better rider, and he can get a couple sick shots of you over there. I don't know. I don't know if we should interrupt this shoot, but it looks like we are. Woo! Oh, that was a clean hand drag. Did you get me touching the ground? Oh, yeah, this kid is insane.
Dude, this photo I got here was fucking prime.
Shout out Kyle, am I right? Good thing I got these pit bike brakes. Thank you, man. Connor and Cole and Kyle. That's fire.
Awesome.
All right, we're getting more comfortable with these brakes now. Maybe I spoke too soon on hating them so much. I don't know. I might need to revise my video. Who knows?
Yeah, you got your trim, you got your fucking...
That's dope. I can't wait to get mine. I definitely got to get that then.
That's badass.
I watched the install video the other day. You just unplug it, right? So, but you still have the buttons here, right?
Well, this is just for regen.
Oh, okay.
I think it's like the cherry on top, bro.
Yeah, I think it cleans up the whole front end more. All right, push to start. Woo! All right, guys, we're on a Talaria XXX. Okay, I just realized that. I told you I was gonna bleep out the bike I'm getting in this video, but it's kind of hard at this point. Woo, I'm excited to get this bike. I love the way it sounds, man. How do I look on it? Does it suit me? You gotta imagine it in black, though.
Yeah, it does.
I don't know what's up with his brakes, though. Feel this rear brake.
I already felt it.
And there's no front brake at all.
The tire went right through the line.
Oh, is that what happened? I'll have to... Oh, shit. Completely kinked. This looks sweet. I definitely would want to get this screen, too. I think it pulls it all together, too. Ooh. I'm going to stop that. Feels like it's going to be a lot of fun for me, so I'm excited. I don't think the seat's that uncomfortable. It honestly feels kind of just like my Razor, except a little more padding. I saw your line, dude. It just like straight up got kinked, caught by the tire. Yeah. That sucks.
Keep that in mind when you get yours.
Yeah, zip tie it. Yeah. This is definitely the most random video in a while, but I guess we're going to do a little ride quick. I don't have much battery at all, so I'm not going to ride for long, but I'll lead the group for a couple minutes. Why are we feeling... Oh, we are getting some power sag now. We're low on bat. Woo! Or not. There we go. Yes, sir. Swerve in the Ninox. Gotta check before you change lanes. That's what he's doing right there. Oh, but then he realized, oh shit, gotta slow it down, so we'll drop back. Then he'll hit the turn. Of course he will. Oh, out to the seat stander, foot crossover, back down to a freaking Ninox. I don't know what the hell it's called, guys, but he did it. Thank you. I don't have the battery for the transfer. All right, y'all, that was the most random of random videos, but I hope you enjoyed it. And I kind of spoiled my next bike, but I feel like you guys kind of already knew what I was getting, so no spoiler. Talaria XXX coming soon. I hope I make it home. I have like not a lot of battery left, so we should probably stop wheeling the whole way. But as always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We have a ton of videos coming, both on this bike, on the new bike. So much to do. So I hope you enjoyed. I'll catch you next time, though. Peace.